Hi guys, it's John here, Tameside Handyman, just bringing you another product demonstration of a kitchen tap. Now this is the Almeria pull-out kitchen tap. It's a heavy quality tap, this one. I'm going to occasionally look over this to the screen just to let you know so that I can make sure I've got everything in frame. It's quite big. It's so big I've actually got to move quite a way back, so hopefully you can still hear me. So as I say, this is a quality kitchen tap. It's a mono tap, which basically means if you've got a single hole, not two holes, if you've got one hole it will fit into that. It's a tall tap, it's a very tall tap, this one, so please do check the dimensions before booking in for this service. Okay, now it's a pull-out tap in so much as some of the pull-out taps, they have an extra pipe where you can pull it out and it pulls out. Now they have their own issues with them because underneath the kitchen sink they can cause problems with stuff underneath there, the other pipes. They can tangle, they can get jammed and stuff like that. So these are a perfect compromise. So going through some of the features of it, as I say, it's a pull-out one, so whilst it goes round like any other kitchen tap generally does, it also pulls out, but it doesn't pull out. Now as you can see, it's drooping here because that's where its normal position would be, in there. So as we pull it out, this is quite interesting because you don't often see this. This is like a rubberized coating on here. You have to see it to feel it to appreciate what I'm saying. Now again, the advantage of that, I'll just put that back in there. Now the advantage of this is it's easy to clean. Now some of the other taps that I do that I pull out, they're great. I fitted loads of them. However, they've got like a spring effect on it, and some people, just some people, are obviously concerned about how they're going to clean it. Now this one takes away that issue, so there's no nooks and crannies for it to get into, so it should be a quick wipe over and job done. So as I say, it pulls out just like that, so you can move it around. You can even do that with it, but it allows you to move it in different directions. So when you're over your kitchen sink, you can move that out of the way if you need to. Okay, and it's got a couple of buttons on the side here. Now these couple of buttons change it from spray to standard jet, okay, or standard flow if you like. Obviously I can't demonstrate that here because it's not plumbed in, but I'm sure you get the idea. It turns around, so you can turn that around, so you can have the buttons wherever you feel like, if it suits you best. Okay, lovely and shiny, heavy duty quality tap this. Now this as well, some of these type of taps, they clip in and they're perfectly fine, nothing wrong with them at all. This one's slightly different. It clips in, but it's also got a bit of a magnet going on there, so it just pulls in gently. It's very nice. It's quite heavy to hold in actual fact, this. So if you take a good look at that all the way around, obviously there's lots of shiny surfaces to be looked at there. Now this pulls out to turn the tap on. It's in its upright position, it's on cold, and then you pull it towards you and obviously the water goes hotter and it heats up. Okay, so it would normally be in like that position, facing towards you. You pull it towards you and out. Okay, we won't worry too much about down here because that's not my part of the job. I will plumb that in for you. So this is a supply and fit on this. Very good quality tap this. Very shiny, very heavy. But yeah, it's something a bit different. If you want to have a look in there, Okay, I like to give you as much overview as I can that a video will allow. Okay, so let's go back a bit. There it is. There we go. But yes, please, please, please do check the dimensions on this before you order it. I usually require a minimum of 2 full working days, a minimum of 2 full working days notice. So if you want to order it, that's fine, but you're probably best ordering it for, like, say the following week or something like that as a rule of thumb. I think that's all I need to show you on that. So that's the Almeria, just double check that. Yes, that's the Almeria pull-out tap. This video should be, well, it will be on YouTube, but it should also be with the product listing as well. Hopefully that's been some use. If you go to handymantameside.com, that's handymantameside.com, go to book now and you can see the prices there. I don't give prices on the videos because the prices could change. Thank you very much.